Okay, so I want to start by thanking Sabrina for this awesome question. And you know what I like about it? Is I can speak to it with respect to two different areas of your life. Goal setting and passions and relationships. So there will be two parts to this video, so make sure you check in for both. Today, however, I want to address goal setting and passions. And in my opinion, I don't think if it matters to you, you should ever give up. So instead of telling you when you should quit, I'm actually going to give you some strategies on how not to. The first is that we need to understand what our why is. This is so important because when we can understand what our why is and what motivates us, then we are able to anchor into that whenever things get challenging. Speaking of challenges, that's my second point. When we look at things that are challenging, 9 times out of 10, they're only temporary. These are the things that frustrate us and make us think that we want to give up. But at the end of the day, if we can recognize what these are, we can address them and get rid of them. The third thing that I want to talk about is being adaptable. And this is so important. We get so stuck on the process or this vision that we initially had on how things need to be done or what the outcome needs to look like. But at the end of the day, we have to be adaptable in reaching our goals. I know for myself, I have changed my format many, many times. You just got to find what works for you. And the only way you're going to figure that out is by trying stuff. Now, the fourth thing that I want to say is figure out your reward system. It is human nature to want to be rewarded. So if you can figure out how to reward yourself as you hit different milestones, that's going to help you stay on task and keep your focus. Now remember, whenever a plane takes off, 80% of its fuel is used in that initial part of it. Only 20% is used to get you to your destination. So remember that it's the beginning that's difficult. But once you start getting up into the sky, you're going to soar and things are going to be really, really great. And you're going to be so glad that you stuck with it. So stay the course and tune in tomorrow when I talk about how this is in relation to relationships.